Guys, good morning! Welcome back to JustmeNorsky Bakes. Ayan, magluluto tayo ng puto. So, ang gamit ko guys is all-purpose flour. Ayan. I need 3 cups. And sugar, 1 cup. This is half cup. Another half cup. At gagamit tayo ng baking powder. We need 1 tablespoon. We need half teaspoon of salt. So, ito na po lahat yung ating dry ingredients. And in here, we're going to mix our wet ingredient. 1 cup of evaporated milk. I mean 1 can. At para masarap siya, lagyan natin ng 1 can of coconut milk. 1 egg. Lagyan ko ng pandan flavoring. Yan. This is optional, guys. Then mix. Para sa ating dry ingredients, we're going to mix all together here. Saka natin isama sa ating wet ingredients. Gagamit po tayo ng salaan para to avoid the lumps of from our dry ingredients. So, ganyan lang siya, guys. Ito na po yung consistency ng ating mixture. We have melted margarine here. We're going to add some, approximately 2 tablespoons. We need this later. So, mix natin mabuti. And, i-leave po natin siya ng around 20 to 30 minutes bago natin siya steam. Para po sa ating molders, i-grease po natin siya ng margarine para madali po nating mailabas mamaya after steaming. So, ayan, after 30 minutes, ito yung consistency ng ating mixture. Kaya, ready na po for steaming. Ready na rin ang ating boiling water. We steam for 12 to 15 minutes. Gusto ko lang mag-brush ng margarine here. Yan yung iba nilagyan ko ng raisins. It's optional, guys. If you like raisin, ayan. O, yan. Yummy. These are now my finished product of Puto from JustmeNorsky Bakes. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.